Hey guys, day 51. What I want to try to get done today, I want to try to get all the chrome trim on the fenders. I want to get the door locks in, the wheel trim on the back, the wheel trim on the front. I'm going to start on this side. I want to try to get everything done on this side. Then I'll hit the other side. So here's what I got. Pretty much the emblems, everything. These right here. Whoop. These right here, if they're not scratched. You got to get these poles. I think they're called door lock poles. These right here. What they do is they slip on. And this little key, this like slide pin, I guess, slides on into place. That hole right there locks into that little tab on the bottom. That's what holds that in place. If you don't have your door locks, these come pretty much like this. This whole setup right here, minus this. So if you have them on your doors, that little clip, you just pull them off, save them for the new locks if you're going to change your locks out or anything. If not, you got to buy these separate. But I'll show you how those go on and everything. It's pretty easy. So, all right, I'm just gonna get chugging along and see what I can get done. Here we go. This is how this goes together. If you could see it, I don't know if you can, but here. Right here, I'm always checking. I know on the GM keys, it's always more to the right of the center. And GM keys, it's the teeth down. And there's a left and a right. I always try to find the top. I'll take it out, I'll set it down. This is this side. This is the passenger side. There's a left and a right. Pretty much you just drop this gasket on. And you'll see a notch when you drop it on. Just drop this on the top. Take this clip and push it on, and that's it. That's how simple that is. So I just wanted to show you that, so when you see me over there just tossing that on, I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Actually, you know, right in here, if you could see, right down inside there, there's like, you really can't see it. There's a rod in there. Anyway, there's a rod in there. This right here hooks onto that rod. And when you turn the key, it'll go up and down. That's how that rod works inside. That rod slides up to lock it and down to unlock it. So, alrighty, I'm gonna get started on this. This is the clip that slides on in the back. You push this clip on, and it holds this in place. Clips that I'm pushing in. These are the clips that I'm pushing in. I don't know if you can see it. That's what the pins right here, when you put them into the panel, there's a clip that holds it from coming back out. So you press these in and then you can't pull them back out. Well, they're not supposed to come out. So, but we'll see. on these clips right here for the Camaro emblem. It's right here. Let me show you. The Camaro emblem's got these little pieces right here, these little studs on there. These get the same clips as what I just put on here. So, but that's pretty much it. You know, I'm gonna just keep going. Hopefully I'll have them within about an hour or so I can finish everything else up on the car. But all right, let me keep chugging along. I didn't run the seam sealer in here, so I'm going to run a seam sealer where the inner and outer wheel houses come together. Then I'm just going to detail this out. I'm going to put my wheel trim on, and then I guess do the same thing to the other side. All right, I'm going to finish up the other side. Remember I told you about this. They love to fight. Really is unfair. I'm telling you, this is the easiest these have ever gone on for me. It's amazing. You know, I was kind of hoping to struggle just to see how I was going to figure it out. But it just fell right into place. It's amazing. Somewhere in this bag. There we go. Whenever they send these, whenever they ship them, they give you the 2 end screws, which are these right here. So I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna drill it out now, and it's crazy. I'm sorry. I wish, not to say I wish you would have seen me struggle, but it's just 9 out of 10 times they fight you. And then what's gonna happen is you're gonna go to put them on. You're gonna be like, "Ah, I made it look so easy." You know, I'm fighting with these things. And I fight with them too. I just got lucky. So, all right, let me finish this. Just snug. Don't crank those down. Now I got to do this nerve-wracking thing. Every time I drill into this, I cringe. Well, it's got to get done. Here's my cool little temper. I think it's cool anyway. This is an eighth. That's how easy those emblems go on. It's amazing. I'm just waiting. They're called push clips. I'm waiting on the other push clips for the Camaro emblems. They're smaller. So, all right, let's keep moving along. All right, here's where we are so far. I got most of the trim, everything on here. The emblems, everything. This one SS emblem is crooked. And this was on my car back in 80, I don't know, mid 80s, early 80s. And I remember now as I put it together, I'm like, I completely forgot that SS emblem was crooked. And that was one of the reasons why I never cover up anything. And I always wait to drill the holes out, because that was once covered over. And then trying to find the hole, I missed it because it was covered over back then. And I just never changed it, and I completely forgot about it until now when I put that on. So it's going to stay that way, though. So it got a few little goofs here and there, but nothing too bad. But I'm going to start doing the headlight buckets. I'm going to start putting that in. And underneath here, like right, like if you see like right here, here, over here, and here, like these spots. The ones underneath the header panel, that's for this right here. This actually goes, this is a grill stiffener. It goes on the grill and then it slides in. And I'll show you when I go to put it in. It slides in, but underneath here, there's these holes. They line up with those holes right there. But you got to put these clips in. Let me show you. And it all comes in the front end hardware kit. These clips right here go on, and these screws, I'll show you. These clips, they go right here. You gotta tap them in. You gotta tap them in all the way till they, you gotta tap them in all the way until they click. And then this screw right here screws right through these holes. And that's what holds the upper grill to the bottom of this. So, all right, I'm gonna get started on that. Here we go. All right, the grill fought me a little bit, but it actually fits pretty decent. I'm gonna clean up and I'll go over what I did today. And I'm hoping, I don't know, I'm hoping to get a decent amount done tomorrow. So, alrighty, let me clean up and we'll go over the whole car. All right, guys, let's go over what I did today. I got the grill in. These are just lying in place. I have to get the bulbs and a spring kit for it. For the headlight spring kit. I did the marker lights on the bottom. I'm going to change all new screws. I'm going to put new ones in. So I'm waiting for 6 screws for those covers, for these lenses down here. I got the grill in, the SS emblem. The grill stiffener comes right along in here. And this is how it attaches, actually. Like, if you look right here, the grill stiffener comes down and around. It bends back. And then underneath there, that's where it screws in. Like I showed you earlier, I put those tabs in there. That's what fastens the top of the grill. The grill stiffener keeps everything nice, keeps it stiff. So I got that done. Camaro emblem, I got the 350 emblems on, the marker lights. I got the wheel well trim. I got the crooked S right there from way back in the 80s. You know, this is pretty much it. I got the locks in. This is kind of pretty much the whole rundown of the car. I have to fix those trays up top. They're just not setting right, so I got to pull them back out and clean them up and figure out why they're not sitting. They're supposed to sit nice and snug on there. So, well, this is what I got done today. I'm hoping tomorrow, I'm waiting on the headliner bows up there. Those are no good that are in there. A friend of mine's got them, so I might run over to his house and pick them up. If I can get them, I might do the headliner in his car tomorrow. I'll give that a try. That, and it's slowly starting to come together. I'm going to try to get... I've been slacking a little bit because I golf. I don't know if you know that about me. I'm not good at all, actually. I'm actually terrible. I spend most of my time in the woods. So that's what I do to take... I take a day off. I do that to go and relax and find golf balls that I hit in the woods. So I didn't get much done on this car in the last day or so. But I'm going to start from this point forward now. I'm going to be hitting it every day. And I want to try to get, if I can, I want to try to get these videos out, you know, every day or two. But you got to be patient because sometimes I'm up till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning trying to figure out how to edit and do all that stuff. I'm starting to get it now. I'm starting to learn. So now that's why I think I can get the videos out a little bit sooner, okay? And I hope you like the way it's coming out. And as always, you know, I say all the time, and I sincerely mean it, thank you very much for watching. And I hope you enjoy these videos. And as always, again, take care of yourselves.